Hello everyone, I am nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel Nutrifont. We all want a healthy and glowing skin. For that we used to search for what those celebrities do to get a healthy skin, and we do lot of skincare to get a healthy and glowing skin. But that is not a permanent solution. That will be a temporary solution. We will get a good skin and good looking skin for a temporary basis, not a permanent basis. So for that we need to eat something that will help to improve our skin internally. To get a healthy looking glowing skin, we need to improve our diet. We have to maintain a healthy diet, and that will help to improve our skin definitely. But if we want it to more effectiveness, then we can include few food items which will help to us to get a healthy, glowing and clear skin. Today I will talk about few foods which will help us to get the desired skin. Today I won't talk about almond. Though almond is a very good for skin, it is a source of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Because I have already made a video on almond and I have included it in the I button, so please check it out there. And must include almond to your daily diet, not only to get a good skin but also to get a good health. The first food item what I will talk about is tomato. Tomato, most of us use it in face pack, but do you know that tomato is very good if you consume it? Tomato is a very good skincare product because it is containing lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant. The bright red color of tomato is because of lycopene. And this lycopene makes tomato an extraordinary skincare product. We all are suffering from suntan, sunburn and all. Lycopene is the solution. Lycopene helps to prevent the harmful effects of UV rays, that ultraviolet rays, and makes it the natural sunscreen for our skin. Tomato is also a good source of potassium which helps to prevent eczema. Eczema is the dryness of skin. Tomato is also a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to build up collagen which will give us a clear looking skin. And those enzymes present in tomato helps to remove the dead skin cells. So you must include tomato in your daily diet to get a clear, healthy looking skin. The second thing I will talk about curd. Curd is a source of protein, we all know that, but I am advising curd because curd is also a source of lactic acid producing bacteria. This bacteria is very good for our gut health, and a good gut health will help us to get a good looking clear skin, and it will improve our skin texture also. Curd not only helps us to improve our skin health but also good for type 2 diabetic patient and helps to reduce high blood pressure. So you need to consume curd at least once in a day with your meal. The third most important food is fish. Fish is a good source of two very important nutrients, that is protein and omega-3 fatty acid. Protein, we all know, is a bodybuilding nutrient. Protein is needed in our skin because it helps to hold that elasticity in our skin that gives us a youthful look. Omega-3 fatty acid seals the moisture into our skin and it helps to prevent the dermatitis, the redness or itchiness of skin. So omega-3 fatty acid and protein, both are two very important nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acid also helps to protect our skin from sunburn. So both of these nutrients is very important for skin, and omega-3 fatty acid is not only good for our skin, it is very good for our brain health and our heart health also. The fourth one is amla. Amla is a good source of vitamin C. 100 gram of amla is containing 600 mg vitamin C, which is a very good source of vitamin C. And vitamin C helps to get a clear skin by building the collagen. Collagen provides the structure of our skin. Vitamin C serum is a very trendy skincare product nowadays. But if we consume amla, we don't need those vitamin C serums. Vitamin C helps us to get clear skin and younger looking skin, we all know. If you are confused about how to consume amla, then you can have amla juice, which is very much available in the market. Take 30 ml of amla juice with a glass of warm water and consume it. You may consume it in the empty stomach in morning. The fifth one is beetroot. Beetroot acts as a natural blood purifier, which is needed for a healthy glowing skin. And beetroot also prevents the signs of aging, wrinkles, fine lines, etc. So we must include beetroot to your daily diet also. I will suggest you to drink beetroot juice at least 3 times in a week. So these are 5 foods which will help you to get a clear, healthy looking, glowing skin. But along with all this, you need to drink enough water. You need to drink 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. And that will help to hydrate your skin, which will help to look your skin more younger. You can drink 1 liter of detox water regularly. And detox water is nothing but the nutrient rich water. You need to infuse fruits and herbs and veggies of your choice into it. And after keeping it 4 to 5 hours, you can drink it. How to make a detox water? For that, you can check the I button again. I have already added a detox water video there. So please let me know your feedback and what you do, what you eat for getting a clear and healthy looking glowing skin in the comment section below. So if you like this video, then press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it. It's much. Go fit. Thank you.